Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create ads on Instagram. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we will need just to open our Instagram account. And basically, you will need just to have a professional account. To do so, you will need just to go to the navigation bar, settings and privacy, and we will need just to search for settings where we can be able to change our profile or account to a professional one. So basically we need just to go down and search for uh, tools, and basically we need just to have them here. So let's just go and search for them, and basically it should be somewhere here, like your orders or like professional accounts here. You click on it, and on the account status you will need just to be able like to click here and change or switch your account to a professional one. So basically I already like changed my account to a professional one. So here on the creator tools you will find this option. So it's already like added many options for me since I switched it to a professional one. You can just click on switch to a professional one. Here you will find the only two settings, and you will be able like to start boosting your posts. After that you will need just to go to any post that you have, or you can just like create new posts, and you will start to be able like creating ads. So basically for any post that you start creating, you will be able to start like paying and boosting this post, which would be sponsored, or you can just like boost it and have ads. So for example, I should have like choose without a Facebook ad account because I do not have one. So let's just go back, boost post, and let's just wait for that. And basically you select the goal. For example, I will just like more profile visits next, and then you will just choose your audience, and here we add your budget, or where you define your budget. And of course this is the duration for the ads, and you can just like have unlimited days, etc. And this is like the estimated reach that you would have by only 6 days of boosting, and with this amount of money. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.